Good morning. For today's lesson, we are going to look at how to open new document files in MS Word 2007. Last 2 weeks, we were able to go through the steps on how to open a document file on the computer. We said to do this, you have to use the open command within the file menu, or we can issue the shortcut key Ctrl+O to have the open dialog box. Then from there, you will select the file or the document file that you want to open. Then after that, you click on the open button. The last 2 weeks, we saw the theory part on how to open a new document within an active MS Word window. So today we are going to look at the practical aspect. So if you have a computer, you just have to turn it on and follow the steps on how to open new documents or new document files in MS Word 2007 or any other version. This is being done whenever you have a program or the MS Word program being open and you want to open a different file which has been saved on the computer already. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to open document files within an active window in MS Word 2007 or any other version. So let's look at how this is being done on the computer. So let's look at how to open a saved document. That's a document file on the computer through an active MS Word application window. We discussed how to open a file or a document file through an active window last 2 weeks. And I hope by now you all know the steps to follow in order to open a document that has already been saved on the computer through an active MS Word window. So to do this, what you have to do is that you have to get a document open. That's a document being created using the Microsoft Office Word application. So let's take, on my computer, I will search for a document. So let's search for a document. So let's take this. So this is the document I have, and this is the current document I have on the desktop. So we have a document being created with Microsoft Office Word, and we have each window being displayed. So this becomes our active window. This becomes our active window. So to open another document file on the desktop through this active window, what we have to do is that we have to use the open command. The open command. And we can do this by using the file tab to display the file menu. Then we click on open within the file menu to get the open dialog box, which will help us to open other documents created using the same application. So on the menu bar, we will just look at the tabs over there. We have the first one to be file. In Microsoft Office Word 2007, we just have to click on the Office button, which is always at the top corner of the Microsoft Office Word 2007 window. So here, this is a different version. So I'll just click on file on the menu bar. So after clicking on file, we have the file menu being displayed. And what are we going to do? We are going to open a different document which has been saved on the computer already. So here within the file menu, I'll use the open command. So I'll just click on open. So you'll be given the open dialog box. So as we can see, we have the open dialog box, and within this dialog box we have different sections or features. We have the navigation pane, which is one of the features you can see in the open dialog box. Then we have the content area. The content area. We have the file name box. Then we have the file format over here. We have the open button, then the cancel button. We also have the look in box at the top here. Then we have the search box also here. So all these are features you can see within the open dialog box in Microsoft Office Word. So here I'm going to open another document file. So with my mouse pointer, I can select a location, my document. So assuming I want to open this document file, I just have to click on it within the content area. So I'll click on it for it to be selected. Then with the open button, I'll click on open. So we can see that window of the application, that is the document we were trying to open, has now been displayed over the previous one. Okay, when you check on the taskbar, we can see that we have two main tabs or window for the Microsoft Office Word. It means that we have the previous one, then the current one that we just opened through the first active window. So when you minimize this, we can see the other one. This was the one we opened before we opened the current one. So we have the current one here, as we can see. So these are the steps to follow whenever you want to open a document within an active window by using the open command in the file menu. We can also use a shortcut to open a document which has been saved on the computer already. So on your keyboard, you can just hold the control key and press O. That one will take you to the file menu for you to get the open dialog box. So what I used to get this was Control plus O, and that one will give you the open dialog box. So from there, you can again select a file, click on it for it to be selected, then you click on open. So that one to open on the desktop for you to see. So in case you want to open any file whilst you are working on another document file, you can do that by just using these simple commands, either by pressing Ctrl plus P or by clicking on the file tab and selecting open. So for your assignment, you have to state two features in the open dialog box in MS Word. You will state two features in the open dialog box in MS Word. The next one, you list the steps in opening a document file. That's a file which has been saved already on a computer through MS Word window or through an active window. So that's all for today. We will meet again next week, Wednesday. Bye.